We are looking at the showcase view from the lobby of the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in Orlando, Florida. Doesn't that look tranquil and relaxing? I stayed for 2 nights in September 2023 attending a travel conference and was very impressed with its grounds, amenities, and my hotel room. Join me as we take a brief tour of room 1022 at the Waldorf Astoria Orlando Resort. Welcome to Nancy and Dan Travel. I'm Dan. Nancy and I are passionate about relaxing, memorable vacations for adults and multi-generational families. We publish videos weekly, primarily on adult vacations to Walt Disney World, Disneyland, and on cruises. As you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on another of our travel adventures. So here we are at the Waldorf Astoria. Beautiful resort, beautiful hallways. And today we're in room 1022. Let's take a look. As soon as you step in, the beautiful tile flooring. To your right are not one but 2 closets. To the left is the washroom. The oversized tub. Mirrors galore here. Very nice sink, single sink, so there's 2 guests. Some hotels have double sinks. Got all the amenities one would expect. And there's a toilet, and there's also a separate shower. As well, nice hooks there with bathrobes. Speaking of which, any bathrobes on the back here? Not this room. All right, let's continue on our tour. So as mentioned, as soon as you come in to the right, there are 2 closets. There's the first one. Nice how the light goes on as soon as you open the door. Very nice touch. And yes, that is my suitcase. And then the second closed closet. There's the bathrobes. Very nice. Nice quality. And even, look at this, an umbrella. Waldorf Astoria. Very nice. To the left, and the coffee service. Hot water. Mini fridge. Let's see the temperature's like. A little cool. Yeah, that'll work. And now we come into the bedroom. Gonna go right down to the floor for a reason. Very nice pattern. Upgraded carpet. Widescreen TV. And under the TV, we have grand reveal closet. Drawers. There we go. And a safe. Large enough for a laptop. I'll be using that. And on the right hand side, more drawers. Very nice. And no, I've not unpacked yet. Good sized bed. Looks like a huge mattress. Looking forward to again sleeping that tonight, so I get a good sleep. And here we have already some chocolates and a wonderful note from Judith. Again, water right beside the bed. It's the small touches that mean a lot when you travel a lot, or when you're on vacation. Writing desk with again drawer. Oh, wonderful ornament there. It's really nice. Be careful, those are the bottles of water that they will charge you for. Wonderful couch. Again, nightstand on each side of the bed, so no one has to worry about how they're going to charge their phone or their watch and so on. Very nice. And unlike the Hyatt, the airport, you do have thermostat control, preset at 70 degrees. Want to see outside? So, 10th floor, nice view I'll call it a forest. See some of the entrance area to the hotel. All right. So that's the room at the Waldorf Astoria, 1022. See you next time. Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are 2 more videos of our travel adventures to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, my email is in the description below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.